The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and found the code P0455, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, large leak. This code typically indicates a significant leak in the EVAP system, which is responsible for trapping and preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. To investigate further, I performed a visual inspection of the EVAP system, including hoses, the canister, and other components. I found no visible damage, cracks, or loose connections that could explain the large leak. Using the scan tool, I attempted to seal the EVAP system and test its components. During the test, I noticed that the EVAP canister vent solenoid did not respond, which pointed to a possible issue with this component. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the EVAP canister vent solenoid to ensure there were no obvious faults like damaged wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the solenoid connector. Both were present, confirming that the solenoid was receiving proper power and ground. To confirm the diagnosis, I used the multimeter to test the solenoid itself for continuity. Continuity was not present, which indicated that the EVAP canister vent solenoid was internally faulty and needed to be replaced. I replaced the faulty EVAP canister vent solenoid with a new one, ensuring it matched the vehicle's specifications. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. The EVAP system is critical for reducing harmful emissions and ensuring the vehicle complies with environmental standards. A faulty vent solenoid can prevent the system from sealing properly, which not only triggers the check engine light, but can also reduce fuel efficiency and increase emissions. By diagnosing and replacing the defective solenoid, I was able to restore the EVAP system's functionality and resolve the customer's concern.